The downturn in Eurozone factory activity deepened in April. The closely watched Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index fell to 45.7 in April from 46.1 in March. It was the 22nd month in a row below the key 50 mark, separating growth from contraction. The sector endured falling demand despite factories cutting prices, but the decline was inconsistent across the bloc. The situation got worse in France and Italy, but the sector moved closer to expanding in powerhouse Germany. Spain did particularly well, as activity expanded at its fastest rate in almost 2 years due to higher demand. An index measuring output rose slightly, but it does not look like an immediate turnaround is coming, as the new orders index fell to a 4-month low. Factories depleted stockpiles of both purchased and final goods, and cut the size of their workforce for an 11th month. Manufacturers also reduced prices again, fueling belief that the European Central Bank will reduce borrowing costs in June. The bloc's economy recovered last quarter from a mild recession. Official data out earlier in the week showed it expanded 0.3% quarter on quarter over January to March.
Obesity drug champion Novo Nordisk keeps underestimating demand. On Thursday, the Danish firm lifted its outlook yet again. It now expects growth of up to 27% this year. Novo has become Europe's most valuable listed firm, worth around $573 billion, on the back of its lead in the market for drugs to treat obesity. The company has raced to increase output of its Wegovy treatment. Its income has only been capped by an inability to keep up with surging demand. On Thursday, Novo reported pre-tax earnings of almost $4.6 billion for the first quarter. That's better than forecast and up more than a quarter on this time a year ago. Analysts predict the market for weight loss drugs could soon be worth $100 billion per year. But Novo won't have it all to itself. Rival Eli Lilly is also raking in sales for its competing products. This week, the US firm raised its outlook and said its factories were running 24/7 to meet demand. Its shares jumped following the news, with the Indianapolis company now worth more than Tesla or Walmart. Like Novo, it says sales growth really just depends on how much product it can make.